Okay, now our photo segment with photos you all sent us in from the Vietnam Veterans Photo Club on Facebook. So let's go do the photos. All right, let's have photo number one. Okay, this is from Dennis Llewellyn. It's Tim Pimlott holding a tail of an NVA mortar. Very close there. In 1967, 1968, in the Central Highlands, from the 1st to the 12th Infantry, 4th ID, Company D. Okay, so that was exploded already. I'm glad he wasn't holding a live one. Next photograph is from Craig Latham. All of his photographs were stolen, he says, after I came home from Vietnam. He had almost 2,000 of them, mainly because he was a combat writer and combat photographer with the 101st Airborne Division, 501st Infantry. The only way I have any now is they were published in the papers with my name on them as a byline. He would appreciate it if any of you sees any of these with his name on it to get in touch with him somehow. He would appreciate seeing them. This was from April 1971, Fire Base Brick. Members of the 2nd 501st Infantry were on their way to help their brothers from their battalion fighting in the jungles. Okay, the next photograph is from Stephen Novikov, writing a letter to his mom and dad from Cam Ranh Bay in Vietnam in August 1970. Cam Ranh Bay was, I believe, where most of the troops from Vietnam went into. And this photo is from Jim Hollis. He's in the bed with Company B, 1st to the 26th Big Red 1, 1st Infantry Division, taken on April 25th, 1968. Thank you, Jim. That was my 20th birthday. I appreciate it. I was still in country then. He was taken in Benoit after surgery by Fess Parker's crew. That's Fess Parker there standing on the left, the old Davy Crockett guy when we were kids. I remember that every Sunday night at 7 o'clock. Great photographs. Thank you. Next photograph is from Dean Losey, Lance Corporal, Marine Corps, Earl Dean Losey, near Hue, Vietnam, July 1972. Subunit 1, 1st Angel Co., field operator attached to the Vietnamese Marines in the Spring Offensive of 1972. Thank you all for all those photographs. Keep sending them in. You can send them to Vietnam Veterans Photo Club. There's a special place in front of on the top of the page to send your photos to.